All right, now let's look at the Git tools built into VS Code. So here on the left side, we have the source control panel where we can see all the changes in our project. So what we see here is similar to the output of the status command. We can see all the changed files and the kind of changes introduced in those files. So here we have changes in file1.js. We can click on a file to get a diff of that file. Now here we are dealing with a new untracked file, as you can see up here. That's why we don't have any code on the left side. Now we can stage this file by clicking on the plus icon. If we made a mistake, we can always unstage a file. That's very easy. All we have to do is to click on the minus icon. Now we have local changes in our working directory. So let's go ahead and stage this file one more time. Let's say we have reviewed our changes and we want to proceed to make a commit. Up here, we can type a commit message. So for this demo, we can say add file1.js. Just remember, this is not a good commit message because our commit should be based on logical units of work, not individual files added or removed, okay? So let's go ahead and make a commit. Good. Now, back to the Explorer panel. We have a fairly new feature here. I think they introduced it a couple months ago. If we click on a file and then open the timeline folder, we can see all the commits applied to this file. So here's our latest commit, add file1. We can click on that commit to see the changes introduced in that commit. Here's the previous commit, delete file1.js. We also had another commit earlier, refactor code. Pretty helpful. Now here by default, we don't have a way to look at our history. We need to install a plugin to do that. I'm going to talk about that in the next section.